The legacy of the Celtic Pantheon is profound and enduring, shaping European culture for over a millennium. As one of the most intricate and diverse mythological systems in history, the stories and deities of the Celts have left lasting imprints on folklore, tradition, and even modern literature and art. The intricate narratives of gods and goddesses have seeped into the consciousness of countless cultures, influencing the way we view not only the past, but also the interplay between humanity and the divine. For centuries, the Celtic pantheon has served as a foundational element of cultural identity, weaving together beliefs, practices, and stories that resonate across generations. The rich tapestry of myths has inspired countless works of art, literature, and music, perpetuating the exalted tales of love, war, transformation, and sovereignty that continue to captivate contemporary audiences. The themes explored through these deities, such as the cycles of nature, the importance of community, and the complexities of duality, remain relevant to modern society, offering timeless wisdom and insight. With over 100 known deities, the Celtic pantheon reflects the rich diversity of ancient Celtic culture. Each god and goddess represents various aspects of life, nature, and human experience, revealing a worldview that honors the interconnectedness of all things. The multifaceted personalities of deities, such as Brigid, Lach, and the Morrigan, encapsulate the realities of existence, embodying both the beauty and the challenges that define the human journey. As we explore these deities, we gain a deeper appreciation for the values and beliefs that underpinned Celtic society, further enriching our understanding of history and cultural evolution. Today, Celtic heritage continues to influence modern nations, particularly in Ireland, Scotland, Wales, and parts of France and Spain. The revival of interest in Celtic traditions has fostered cultural movements that celebrate the arts, languages, and customs rooted in this ancient past. Festivals, literature, and artistic expressions often draw inspiration from Celtic mythology, reinforcing a sense of identity and continuity among contemporary practitioners and enthusiasts. This enduring legacy serves as a reminder of the resilience of cultural traditions and the ever-evolving nature of myth, ensuring that the stories of the Celtion live on in vibrant and meaningful ways. In conclusion, the legacy of the Celtic pantheon is a testament to the richness of human experience, reflecting the intricacies of the natural world and the spiritual journeys of those who came before us. Through their captivating narratives and diverse deities, the Celts have imparted a wealth of wisdom that continues to inspire and resonate today, reminding us of the timeless connections we share across cultures and generations. As we honor and explore this legacy, we are encouraged to reflect on the profound impact that myth and spirituality have on our understanding of ourselves, each other, and the world around us.